Question number 10, dear students. Question number 10 said a city received 2 whole 3 upon 4 centimeter of rainfall on Sunday and 11 upon 2 centimeter on Monday. Find the total rainfall in the city these 2 days. So given rainfall on Sunday 2 whole 3 upon 4. So you can write this one 4 to the 8, 8 plus 3 11 upon 4. On Monday 11 upon 2. So total rainfall (11 upon 4 plus 11 upon 2). LCM is 4, so that is 11, and 4 divided by 2 times, so 11 multiply 2, so 11 plus 22 upon 4, and that is, we know that this is 33 upon 4. So total rainfall in 2 days equal 33 upon 4. That is the answer. Question number 11. 2 difference of 2 rational number is 1 upon 2. If the smaller number is 2 whole 3 upon 4, find the other. So let's see question number 11, dear students. Given that the difference of 2 rational number is 2 whole 1 upon 3. You can write 2 3 is 6, 1, this one, and 1 rational number from this, इसमें से एक रेशनल नंबर दे रखा है, सो दैट इज 2 whole 3 upon 4. 2 whole 3 upon 4, the mean of this 2 3 is 8 and 11 upon 4. So question asks second rational number. So dear students, we want to let the biggest rational number be x. So according to the question, x minus 2 whole 3 upon 4 equal 2 whole 1 upon 3. So you can write this one 4 11 upon 4, and that is 7 upon 3. That is 7 upon 3. Dear students, here 3 na, so 3 also available. I think something wrong here. So let's see. This 11 upon 4 minus here, change side plus, so 7 upon 3 plus 11 upon 4. LCM of these two is 12, and do the cross multiply. 7 multiply 4 plus 11 multiply 3. So dear student, that is 7 4 ja 28 plus 33 upon 12. So add these two, 3 11 and 5 6 upon 12. So the answer of this question, 11 question is So our answer is 61 upon 12. So dear students, आप आंसर की से आंसर ना मिलाएं, क्योंकि इस क्वेश्चंस में थोड़ा गलत नहीं है, लेकिन क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया है। आधा क्वेश्चन 11th का नंबर काउंट हो गया, आधा 12th का नंबर काउंट हो गया। आप आंसर किसी न मिलाएं, क्योंकि हमारा जो आंसर है वो एक न्यू क्वेश्चन की तरह है। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन हमारा आंसर सही है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द आंसर की हमारा आंसर रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि आंसर की में आंसर जो दिया है वो 11th क्वेश्चन का है, और आप जब क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे तो क्वेश्चन में नंबर चेंज है। ओके, नाउ लुक फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 13। Question number 13, what should we add to make it 1? The question number said minus 1 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3. में आप क्या ऐड करें कि आपका जो रिजल्ट है वो 1 हो जाए। सो लेट्स सी, हमने इसमें x ऐड कर दिया। सो वेयर let x, okay, here right. So take LCM of these two, 15 minus 3 plus 5 plus x equal 1. So that is, dear students, plus 2 upon 15 plus x equal 1. This total term plus here change side minus, so x equal 1 minus 2 upon 15. Take 1 here, so LCM is 15. 15 1 ja 15 minus 2, so that is 13 upon 15. So how you can write? That is the answer of this question. Student, let's check. 15, 3 1 ja 3 and 5 2 is 10. Here 10. So that is 7. That is 7. And that is 7 upon 15. So 15 minus 7 equal 15 minus 7 equal 8 upon 15. Again see, whenever we let the LCM, we take the LCM. 3 1 ja 3 and 5 2 is 10. So 10 minus 3 is 7 upon 15 plus x. This 7 upon 15 change side minus 7 upon 15. 15 1 ja 15 minus 7, 8 upon 15. That is the answer of this question. Question number 14 now. That is the last question of this exercise. Sita spent 4 whole 3 upon 4 hour in doing her homework. If she gives 1 whole 1 upon 2 hours for mathematics, find the time she gives to other subject. Sita spends total times on study equal 4 whole 3 upon 4. So 4 4 just 16 plus 3 upon 4, 19 upon 4. 4 4 just 16 plus 3, 19 upon 4. And she gives time for mathematics equal 1 whole 1 upon 2. So 2 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2 r. These all are r's. So she gives other subject. She gives time for other subject. अदर सब्जेक्ट को कितना टाइम देती है? सो टोटल टाइमिंग 19 अपॉन 4 माइनस 3 अपॉन 2. आर एलसीएम इज 4, डियर स्टूडेंट्स. वेन एवर वी टेक द एलसीएम 4, so 4 divided by 4 one time, no need for write, and 4 divided by 2 times, so 3 multiply 2, and that is 6 upon 4, so that is 13 upon 4. You can write 3 whole 1 upon 4 hours. She spent to other subject. Total time is 3 whole 1 upon 4 hours. That is the answer of this question. Dear students, our exercise is over now. Those questions remain here. You must be solved. Okay, you must be solve this and send to me. Or I think you are understand that how we have solved this type questions. Otherwise you have any problem, then you ask me. Okay, so thanks for watching.